I'm from Cooking with Mimi and You. Today we're going to dedicate this segment strictly on how to cook, prepare foods as healthy as you can be, meaning herbicides and pesticides free. And as you know by now, I do have a passion for cooking, but I couple that with my educational background as a chemist from USDA, which makes me very aware of all the herbicides and pesticides present in our food system and how it severely affects our lifestyle nowadays. This is the SD501 Platinum Series. I've been using this for the last 9 years and has been a real partner with me in terms of food preparation and cooking healthy, herbicides and pesticides free. We're going to start with our demonstration with just the basic vegetables that we almost use every day. We're going to start with washing our Wild Wonders assorted grape tomatoes. One I will wash with regular tap water, and one, what I've been doing for the last 9 years, wash it with Kangen Water 9.5. So this bowl here gets the regular tap water. There it is, sitting in regular tap water. And this one, I'm going to turn on my Kangen
Water 9.5.
So this is the first step when I usually do cooking. I make sure all my vegetables and produce are sitting soaked in Kangen water. This is the bowl that we washed with regular tap water. So this water would be the one that's going down the drain with all the dirt that you purposely washed off from your tomatoes. So that belongs there. And this is the bowl with the Kangen water that we're trying to rinse our tomatoes and make sure that we get all the pesticides and herbicides out of it. So to show you how that's the difference. This is the wastewater after soaking your Wild Wonders organic tomatoes versus washing it in regular tap water. Just want to show you that when you do use Kangen Water 9.5, not only in your cleaning but also in your cooking, you're definitely removing all the chlorine and other chemicals that is allowed to be in our system. If you don't use the Kangen Water 9.5, you will be consuming all the chlorine that is used to sterilize and sanitize our water. So I'll show you a real example where you can see this is water from the faucet and this is the water from Kangen 9.5.
Kangen Water 9.5.
This is a chlorine test indicator. It should turn yellow in the presence of chlorine. It binds to the chlorine molecule and gives it a visual color of yellow. 4 spots in this one likewise. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the tap water. Slowly mixing it. See how bright yellow it turned? That means lots of chlorine in there, which is good because we don't want to get sick. We need that for sanitation in our water. And this is the Kangen water. No chlorine, no yellow, nothing. So we already know it's in this water. And if you don't have the Kangen Water 9.5 and you want to cook rice, so you start with a bowl of water and this is your rice, any kind of rice will do, or even any carbohydrates, even pasta. And you start cooking it there. That's your rice, and you rinse it, you stir it. And you let it sit there for a while, which you usually do when you cook rice, is you rinse it with the water, you let it sit in the water for a little bit so that it softens up, and when it cooks, it just really flops up beautifully. So that is, look at the color change. And your question is, what happened to the yellow? Well, the yellow molecule that was visual to you was bound to a chlorine molecule. It's gone now. Guess where it is? In your rice. I hope you're able to appreciate the big difference in using food preparation 9.5 Kangen water versus food preparation with regular tap water. So change your water and change your life.